10-minute Navy SEALs burpee challenge. Let's see how many we can do in 10 minutes, right? Ah, here we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. This move will humble you. It really will. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 4. 6. 7. Oh, mate. 28. I told you this move would humble you. It's not kidding you. 30 so far, come on. One. Two. Three. Oh, four. Come on. Come on. 5. 6. Oh, man. 7. 8. 9. Come on. Keep going. Go ahead and get to 50 at least. 40. Oh. 40. Starting to feel it in my knees now. 41. Come on. 42. Stand up straight. 42. 43. 44. Come on. 45. 46. 47. Come on. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. Oh. 53. 54, last one. 55. So yeah, that was a 10-minute Navy SEALs burpee challenge. That's a really intense workout. It's a really intense move. You know, really gets your whole body going. So we did 55. So that's our benchmark now. I'm looking forward to doing that again so we can see if we can get more than 55. Let me know in the comment section if you're doing this workout, how many you can do in 10 minutes. And don't forget, obviously, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed that. See you in the next one.